In this video, I will demonstrate using the ScreenConnect-Zendesk integration, which allows technicians to create and join ScreenConnect support sessions from Zendesk tickets. I have already installed the Zendesk extension on my ScreenConnect site, so I will go to the extension page, click the user icon, and select Zendesk Integration Settings to begin configuring the integration. There are 6 fields available in the General Settings section. The ScreenConnect API token is pre-populated, and this value will be used when I configure the ScreenConnect app in my Zendesk instance. I will enter the URL of my ScreenConnect site in the ScreenConnect base URL field. The ScreenConnect site must have an SSL certificate installed. In the Zendesk base URL field, I will enter the URL of my Zendesk instance. Next, I will enter a Zendesk username, which will authenticate the results from ScreenConnect to Zendesk. The Zendesk API token is associated with the Zendesk username and is found in the Zendesk admin settings under the Channel section. The Zendesk session prefix is used to identify sessions that have been created in Zendesk. I will keep the default value. The Session Summary Postback Content section allows me to select ScreenConnect information that will be added to the Zendesk ticket. This content includes chat history, session history, notes, and audit video links. When I am finished, I will click Save Settings and go to my Zendesk instance. The Zendesk app is installed from the Apps Marketplace. I will click Install, and in the App Installation dialog, we'll choose the Zendesk account and click the Install button. In the first field, Title, I will leave the default ScreenConnect Remote Support. I will enter the URL of my ScreenConnect site in the ScreenConnect base URL field. This URL must have the prefix HTTPS. Next, I will enter the ScreenConnect API token, which I have already copied from the Zendesk extension settings. The checkbox Generate Rich Content Comments should be selected if rich content is enabled on Zendesk tickets. My instance is using Markdown, so I will leave this unchecked. Finally, I can choose the Enable Role Restrictions checkbox if I want to limit the Zendesk roles that will have access to the extension. Once finished, I will click Install. To get started using the Zendesk ScreenConnect integration, I will open an existing Zendesk ticket. To start a support session, I will click the button labeled Create Support Session in the ScreenConnect panel. There are 2 ways to invite a guest. First, I can communicate the URL to the guest by copying the URL and sending it via email or instant message. Alternatively, I can click Generate Public Reply to create an invitation which will be sent to the ticket requester along with the session link. I can click the refresh button to update the ScreenConnect information. Here, I can see that the guest is now connected to the session. To join the session as a host, I will click the Join button. Once connected to the session, I can perform any actions needed to resolve the issue. Once the issue has been resolved, I will close and end the support session. After refreshing the Zendesk ticket, I can view information about the ScreenConnect session. The session created and session ended fields show the date and time of the session. The chat history displays any chat messages sent during the session. The session event history and session connection event history contain a listing of the audited events that occurred during the support session. Finally, the session capture downloads area will contain links to session videos. This feature requires that your ScreenConnect instance has enabled extended auditing. This concludes the Zendesk integration video. Please be sure to visit our help page at help.screenconnect.com or contact our support team if you have additional questions. Thank you.